So, just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. Really looking good for Dogecoin at this point, to be honest, for more upside. You can see we've got this lovely market structure starting to form here for Dogecoin. We obviously got our tariff range that we've been stuck in for a good while. We are technically still stuck in it, I would say. We got that really good Trump pump. Well, I think we were already pumping, to be honest. Dogecoin was pumping, and then we got the Trump pump, extending the pump really nicely up towards almost 50 cents. We got the tariff dump, as we did for all of our altcoins. Dogecoin since then having these big swings up and down. Lots of volatility, lots of interest in Dogecoin, as you would expect. As you can quite clearly see here, we have been ranging for a while in this tariff range. Recently coming into this more intense coil. Lots of chop over the past month or two. Things have been very choppy in traditional markets as well, which could be contributing to that. But you can see Dogecoin here, really interesting price action recently. Got this lovely pump out of the range. Swept liquidity above the range here. Got a rejection, but we came down, retested our 618 Fibonacci. Really good reaction to that. Really good green candle yesterday. I think this is just largely to do with, if you look at Bitcoin, we can see Bitcoin obviously with the Fed rate cuts, which were having a really good bullish reaction for the Nasdaq, as a result affecting Bitcoin. And then you can see Dogecoin having a great reaction to that Fibonacci level. 618 Fibonacci here. We came down, retested into this 3 times here, and you can see there was no way that we were getting through that level. Every time we came back down into this, really big green bullish candles out of it. And then with the Fed rate cut yesterday, obviously we got a nice bit of relief off the downside. Dogecoin here looking really nice, to be honest, for continuation to the upside. The 5 minute here looking like really probably just going to run back up towards this local high and continue, to be honest. I am long on Dogecoin, so I am biased, but I do think that we are going to see Dogecoin having a nice move to the upside. I've got a huge bag of Dogecoin, and I do think we're going to be heading up towards that $1 level soon. I've been long on Dogecoin for a while now, ever since we started to consolidate in this range here. I got the impression that we were probably just going to continue to the upside soon. The altcoin basket is underneath its all-time high. It's very close to a new all-time high. We've got Ethereum looking like it wants to push to a new all-time high as well. We've got Bitcoin looking like it's going to be heading back to its all-time high as well. As long as Bitcoin behaves, I think we're going to be having a good move for all of our altcoins, and I think Dogecoin is very much going to be a part of this. I think, to be honest, it's looking like it's really gearing up for a big move to the upside imminently. If you look at the weekly time frame here, we're looking incredibly bullish, in my opinion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside, and we are looking for this 5th wave here to be up towards that fabled $1 area. At the very least, we'll be hitting this all-time high, won't we? This looks really bullish to me, and this consolidation here looking like we're imminently going to be ripping through Fibonacci levels here. I'd love to see us hit this 127 Fibonacci level. That would be absolutely unreal, but I do think that $1 extension is that $1 fabled psychological target, I should say, is going to be a big area of resistance. I think we're going to be heading up towards that level pretty soon. I mean, just look at this chart. What more do you want to say, really, apart from this chart looks absolutely fantastic. Came down into the bear market range, broke out, retested, lovely extension. Come down. We've obviously got a bit of stalling out here because of the tariff dump and altcoins being a bit uncertain, but Dogecoin's still looking bullish, holding all kinds of levels of support. Really, this just looks like it wants to rip back towards the all-time high. This would make absolute sense to me going into the final stage of the bull market. Bitcoin is at 120k, guys. Think about how crazy that is. We've got Bitcoin at 120k and Dogecoin's only at 30 cents. It's still a, what is it, 2.5x back to the all-time high. Very likely, in my opinion, to have some good moves to the upside soon. Right now, Dogecoin, in my opinion, I think we're going to have a big move soon. Looking really solid. That would be my 5 cents for today. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every single day for daily updates, and get you some free money in the description below. Cheers.